is a picture frame video camera. It's Wi-Fi, so it can be accessed from any iPhone or Android device. It streams and records 1080p high definition video. It could also record audio as well too. It uses an optional micro SD card to save all the recordings. You could set it for motion activated recording or schedule certain times you want it to record as well too. It has a 5-hour battery life, or you could also keep it constantly plugged in and has a little port on the back. So it comes with a USB cable, so you can keep it plugged into a wall outlet or any USB port. It also comes with the drivers, so you can access it from a computer. And it comes with a SD card reader as well too to access the micro SD card.